today's very special episode, we're stepping into Calderaran music. We honored to have with us a very talented artist who just not sing song, but also a host and a student. Please welcome Miss
Nikita D.
Thank you so much, guys.
Hey!
Thank you so much.
Okay, how did you begin your journey as a singer or composer, and what drew you to Calderaran music specifically?
All right. So that's the first question. Thank you for that. So basically, I'm already singing since I was little. I was a kid. But then when I was in high school, yeah, it's just started with a little music project. So I started writing songs. And then, we submitted it and then we won. Wow, pakakang. Parang ganun. Oo, parang nag-start lang siya doon. And then,
Mm.
kaya ko pala. And then, after that, may mga likhawitan na mga singing competitions and songwriting contests sa schools. Actually, nag-start talaga sa school. And then, hanggang, tada! Yes!
Pero may follow-up question po ako, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sa family niyo po ba, sino po ba yung mga kumakanta or nag-inspire sa inyo? Gano'n?
Alright. So, sa family ko po, my mom is a singer. Yes, kumakanta siya. Pero both my grandmother and grandmother, father side and mother side, are both singers in church. That's why I learned naman sa church.
So as an artist po, Ma'am D, sa tingin niyo po ba importante na ma-preserve natin yung Cordilleran music para sa future generations natin?
My answer is absolutely yes, of course, because we're here in Cordillera and tayong mga kabataan, actually, we need to preserve this culture of ours kasi habang actually very rare na, very few na yung nakaka-appreciate sa Cordilleran music, no? Lahat na impluwensya na sa Western music, international music, parang konti na lang yung nakaka-appreciate ng local songs. So, my answer is absolutely yes.
Okay,
May follow-up ako, ate.
Yes.
So, 'di ba, sabi mo nga kanina na yes, dapat lang. So paano natin, kasi ngayon mga kabataan yun, 'di ba? Most likely mas gusto nila yung mga western music, mga sa ibang bansa, 'di ba? Lalo na yung Korean, 'di ba?
Yes.
Paano natin sila mapapahikayat or mas parang alam mo yun, parang tangkilikin nila yung ating music talaga, yung sariling atin. So, paano? Para sa inyo po.
Alright, so based on my experience, no, para hindi sila, para yung mga youth or mga kabataan na habang lumalaki sila, dapat mas mapalapit sila sa sariling atin, kumbaga sa Cordilleran music. Kasi tama, ang dami talaga nag-i-impluwensya, like international songs. So, ang steps na nagawa namin before is that more to organize more local events for of course, featuring local songs, local arts, local music, and of course, local events. Example, kapag may mga songwriting ng local songs, so imbis na kanta ng ibang bansa yung kakantahin nila sa Battle of the Bands, why not write a song na sa genre na rock? Para yun na lang yung ginagamit nila. Like a while ago, we just, tapos na yung Battle of the Bands, at least nakitahan mo na may rock version pala ang mga local songs. Kaya din pala natin. Kaya din pala gumawa ng rap within our local language. Yes, so they more organized, more local events to organize para mahikayat sila.
What challenges have you faced as a local artist in promoting and preserving Caldera music in today's digital age?
Of course, hindi na natin yan maitatanggi, guys. As I've said kanina, it's the genre of the music, no? Here in our region, here in Cordillera, hindi natin maitatanggi na tinatangkilik. Mostly na tinatangkilik nila is country music. And that's so sad. ang gusto ko lang sabihin, okay, I'm using my voice here. Listen, people of the Cordillera, please be open-minded. All songs are all arts. Hindi lang country ang dapat i-appreciate natin. We have rock, we have pop, we have also rap na pwedeng tangkilikan. Huwag po sana tayong maging close-minded, di ba? Especially ang ating mga elders, respect mga senior citizens, hindi natin ma-change yung mind nila or hindi natin sila mapilit na dinggin yung atin. So so tayo mga kabataan, ang pwede lang nating gawin para ma-preserve to in the future is continue showing, continue sharing it to them, no? Kasi paano kung mawala?
Yes.
Yes, diba? Kaya ang challenge talaga sa akin, na pinaka-challenge sa akin na na-encounter ko while writing my own local song is that ang hindi open ang mga audiences or listeners sa ibang genre. They only entertain country music. So that's so very sad.
Okay, since Miss Nikita, since nabanggit nyo nga po na parang yung mga ibang tao is close-minded sa own genre natin dito sa Cordilleran Music. So, para sa mga hindi pa nakakarinig ng mga like example yung music nyo, um, since marami tayong viewers na youth or other audiences like older people, what message can you say to them para ma-encourage sila na ma-appreciate at ma-support yung local music or local artist natin dito sa Cordillera?
Alright. So, my message is, please give us chance. Give us chance to show you, to share it to you, that you may be able to appreciate this talent. Kasi kung hanggang sa country lang kayo, asan ba ang origin or history ng country? Sa ibang bansa, right? We have our own, di ba? Dapat proud tayo na meron tayong local genre. We have Cordilleran songs, we have community dancing songs na ginagamit nila sa tayaw, 'di ba? And it's very nice kasi hina-highlight niya ang mga cultures, our traditions, right?
Yes.
Gangsa. Yes, we can use that instruments kapag sa recording ng local songs. So there, please be open and give us chance.
Yes, ganda. Ganda.
Okay.
Cheers!
Ramdam-damo mo na talagang gusto mo palabas nyo kami. Ganon.
Diba?
Eto, could you tell us about one of your songs? Yung story behind that, ate? Isa sa mga na-compose mong songs, ganon.
Alright. Okay, actually, I will tell you the first ever song that it's my winning entry as a solo contestant. And this song won the highest solo competition here in Baguio Benguet in Cordillera, winning 50,000 pesos as the first prize. Because this song is so special. This song is entitled Benguet di Cordillera.
Hibungan, labangan, pugyas, mangkayan, bakod, itogon, bukod, kabayan, La Trinidad, Sablan, Tuba, Agong Ulay.
And there it says there, it highlights our place, the beauty of our region and our provinces. Yes. So dun sa song na yun, Benguet di Cordillera, the province of Benguet highlighting the 13 municipalities.
Oh, nakapaloob na lahat doon.
Yes, andun na lahat.
Pwede
And and parang sa mga ibang messages, kapag sa mga ibang tao na na hindi taga Benguet, pwede nilang malaman yung mga municipalities through that song.
songs.
Yes,
Ganda,
introducing
yes.
it. Yes.
Ang galing.
And then,
Ano? Sige
nakachamba
nga, ate.
tayo.
Ano?
Actually, hindi lang, okay. additional, hindi ko
Sige.
lang yun ginamit sa isang competition lang.
Mm.
Nagamit ko din siya sa songwriting competition before pandemic, and it also won the first place, 20,000. So actually,
Hala.
100.
Oo.
Oh, yes. That song is so special to me. As a proudly Ibenguet, Igorotak. Yes.
Okay. So, Miss Nikita D, let's do fast talk.
Yes.
So, you will have 2 minutes to answer these questions. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Love songs or cultural songs?
Cultural songs.
Instant coffee or kapeng barako?
Kapeng Barako.
Summer or rainy?
Alright. Summer.
High notes or low notes?
High notes.
Music or movies?
Music, of course.
Solo performance or collab?
Solo performance.
Singing in native language or English?
Singing in native language.
Cordillera Mountains or beach?
Cordillera Mountains.
Live performance or studio recording?
Live performance.
MC or performer?
Performer.
TikTok or Instagram?
TikTok.
Aesthetic or cowboy?
Aesthetic.
Okay, Miss Nikita, 3 words to describe yourself.
Astig. Faithful to God. Oh my gosh. Astig. Astig na. Rock and roll. Or foggy.
Group works or individual?
Oh my gosh, I love group work, but I always win individual.
Huling text na pinadala mo sa mama mo?
Sa mama, katapusan na ngayon.
Sino ang paborito mong artista na gusto mong makasama sa stage?
Oh my gosh. Taylor Swift, of course. Avril Lavigne. Taylor Swift.
Okay, guilty or not guilty, pumiyok habang nagpe-perform?
Pumiyok. May sakit.
Guilty or not guilty, nawala sa tono habang kumakanta?
Yes, nawala sa tono habang kumakanta. Hindi marinig ang monitor.
Okay, this will be the last one. Guilty or not guilty, nakalimutan ang lyrics habang kumakanta?
Guilty. Guilty, guys.
Okay, time's up, Miss Nikita D, thank you so much for sharing your time, your talent, and your heart with us today. You're truly an inspiration.
If you like this video, please don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
For more stories and culture, let's keep our traditions alive together. See you
Next time!